Hello, this is Minnesota State Ask Us. Today we are going to make quick work of course registration using the Quick Add Register function in eServices. This is a nifty tool to use if you know the 9-digit ID number of the course or courses for which you wish to register. Course ID numbers can be found in the course schedule on your home college website. For example, let's say you are a Northwest Technical College student pursuing a degree in business. After a meeting with your program advisor, you realize that you need to take a business communications course this spring to stay on track for your anticipated graduation date. Your program advisor helped you check the course schedule and gave you the 9-digit ID number for the course you wish to take, 303-000-300. After logging into your eServices account, you will find yourself at My Dashboard. From here, click on Courses and Registration in the menu on the left-hand side of the page. Then, you may choose Quick Add Register, also in the drop-down on the left side of the page, or from the menu in the middle of the page. Next, choose the semester in which you wish to take your course. In this example, Spring 2019. Finally, input the course ID number for the course you wish to add to your schedule. Click on the blue Register box. Then, simply input your eServices password and click Register. Congratulations! The Quick Add registration is successful. As always, if you have any questions at all, please visit www.minnstate.edu and choose Ask Us. Any of the success coaches are ready and waiting to assist you. All of us at Minnesota State wish you the best of luck in your academic pursuits. Remember, if you ever need assistance with course registration, you can ask us at minnstate.edu.